Hello friends, welcome to this channel, and in this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can set a timer on your camera in the Instagram app. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put likes under the video and write comments. And let us get started with you friends. Please open the Instagram app on your device and then proceed to create a story. And now friends, you'll need to switch to Reel at the bottom, because you will be able to set the timer only if you switch to this mode. Now, folks, at the top center, select and click on this sign here to go to the timer. And here you can set the timer from 1 to 30 seconds. You can adjust it like this by dragging the slider and selecting the amount of time you want. You can also enable auto-reporting for either 3 seconds or 10 seconds. Choose whatever time you want, click Start. And then the timer will start working immediately, and you will be able to record a video on your Instagram camera after 3 to 10 seconds or more. Friends, this is how you can easily set a timer on your camera and Instagram app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also be sure to put your likes under the video. Goodbye.